Hi, hello, assalamu alaikum. Hi, Shan. How are you?
Walaikum assalam, brother. I am also a really good. What about you, brother?
I am also fine, alhamdulillah. Jazakallah khair. What about you?
I already say, brother. What do you do, brother?
I do standing and Shan behind me. Those I am very hungry, but I late night the dinner, so I am very tired, etc.
Where do you study, brother?
I study in economics department.
Hmm.
I am economics teacher.
Oh,
lecturer.
good, brother. Good teacher.
I have a lot of student.
Good.
I have a lot of student girls.
I understand. I
boy.
understand. So,
Our teaching room, Cox's Bazar, Dhaka, our branch, all Bangladesh.
okay, brother. I understand. You are very good teacher. What's
I
your
can-
father do, brother?
My father do. He's a businessman. He's a writer. He's a writer.
Good, good.
My
Your
mother,
father is a gentleman.
Shukriya,
What's
shukriya.
your father? What's your mother do, brother?
My mother is a homemaker. She's a really brilliant girl. She's intelligent.
Good.
She prepare my childhood. She take care every brothers and sisters, my fathers, our family. I really love you, my mothers. I appreciate. I miss you. I really miss you, my mother. Okay.
Good, good. How many members in your family?
I have two brothers and one sisters, and a small family.
Good,
I'm
good.
joint
I
family
like
and
I like small family also.
I'm very happy now. I'm small family. I'm cute family.
Good, good, brother. The small family is all time good family. No, brother is. কেটে গেল কেন?